and welcome back to the Lang 5 channel. Today we'll be making the best and easiest Instant Pot chicken thighs. All you're going to do is simply take your Instant Pot, plug it in, place in the rack that it comes with, and then place in your chicken thighs. I'm using a package of about 9 chicken thighs, and mine are actually frozen, so there's no need to thaw them out. Just simply try to get them apart as much as you can and place them in. Doesn't matter if they're on top of each other. As you can see, I will place 3 of the last ones on top, and then add 2 cups of water. If you add chicken broth here, that would actually make it a lot more flavorful, but I didn't have any, so I added water. And then add 1 teaspoon each of onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, and just regular old table salt. And then simply twist on the lid, make sure it's set to sealing. Press the pressure cooker button and set it for 25 minutes. Once that's done, release the steam. And as you can see, mine came out perfectly well done. I just tossed them in the juice because that's where all the flavor is. And then I wanted to get the skin a little bit crispy, so I simply decided to place them all skin side up on a baking sheet with aluminum foil in the oven on broil for about 5 to 6 minutes.
I dream in color, you're black and white.
And as you can see, they came out perfectly golden brown and crispy. Now I added rice, cucumbers, broccoli, and cauliflower, but you make it your own, add the size that you like. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button below, and thanks for watching.